How to change text size in Yahoo Mail on computer. And okay guys, here in Yahoo Mail homepage, go to gear icon on the right side. Okay, click the gear icon and go to more settings. Here in left side, okay, go to writing email. In writing email, scroll down and you can see here the default rich text font. And the text size is set into small. So you can change this by click the arrow down and select the size. So for my example, I select to X large. So you can see here the text is X large. So if you want to back to small, medium, or tiny, for my example, I select into tiny. So you can see the difference between X large and tiny. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed text size in Yahoo Mail on computer.